Heavy-duty steel construction. Fully welded and interlocked. Special polyurethane blend isolates motor. Reduces power loss of a traditional mount. Motor and transmission mounts take a tremendous pounding every day, and when power and torque-enhancing modifications are added to the mix, most factory mounts just can't handle the stress. Daystar's motor and transmission mounts offer several advantages over factory mounts. They feature a fully welded and interlocking design, meaning that even if the mount fails, a highly unlikely situation, the mounts have a mechanical backup to keep the drivetrain components from breaking loose. They are resistant to vehicle fluids and road grime, and provide firmer holding power than traditional rubber. Perfect for harsh environments such as off-roading. Daystar. Top reviews from the United States. World of difference. As I read previous reviews, having to cut the poly slightly on one side, which took about 60 seconds, was no surprise and didn't hamper the install at all. They went right in otherwise, and the XJ drives better than it ever has. It vibrates a bit more, but that's kind of a no-dug with poly, and my engine runs smooth, so it isn't a bother in the slightest.